6 Samurai deck profile in 60 seconds. Please remember to like and subscribe. 3 Kizan, 3 Kigeki, 3 Trainer, 3 Monk, 1 Chamberlain, 1 Fuma, 1 Hatsume, 1 Kizaru, 1 Grandmaster, 1 Great Shogun, double Ash, double Fubulos, 1 Droll, 1 Gateway, 1 Rota, triple Smoke Signal, triple Dojo, double United, 1 double Assault, 1 triple Impact, 1 Cunning, 1 Asceticism, 1 Tactics, 1 Designator, and triple Impermanence. Extra deck: double Lord Shien, double Shien, 1 Anishi, 1 Kizan, double Shogun, 1 Beast, 1 Psyframe, 1 Crystal Wing, 1 Dugaris, 1 Saryuja, 1 IP, and 1 SP.